Hello, welcome to PCAP's Native Prairie Speaker Series. My name is Caitlin Rose, and I am the Stewardship Coordinator with Saskatchewan Prairie Conservation Action Plan, or PCAP. Every month, PCAP asks someone to present either in the form of a webinar or an in-person talk in a Saskatchewan community on anything to do with native prairie conservation or species at risk. Today, Miles Anderson will talk about sage-grouse restoration from a landowner perspective. I would like to take a moment to note that financial support for today's presentation is provided by Environment and Climate Change Canada. In-kind support for today's presentation has been given by Miles Anderson. Now, a bit about our presenter. Miles ranches near Fir Mountain, Saskatchewan, presently raising cattle on approximately 25,000 acres that consists of 80% native, 10% tame hay, and 10% cultivation. Having Grasslands National Park as a neighbor, there is a considerable amount of research performed in this area, and it is in his best interest to do a good job with grazing, as there are not many areas that have a non-grazed area the size of Grasslands National Park surrounding them to be compared to. Being past chair of the Prairie Conservation Action Plan and Saskatchewan Stock Growers Association has given him experience in advocacy, which helps in current life experiences. Miles has been blessed with sage-grouse habitat, and with the support of Environment Canada, Grasslands National Park, and Saskatchewan Ministry of Environment, he hopes to learn what sage-grouse need to thrive while keeping in mind that there are other species that live there as well. With that, I will turn it over to Miles.